Hey, what's up, guys? It's DIY Arch, and today we're gonna get into some of that. Don't do what they do. That way, you could save a buck or two, or maybe even a limb. You never know how it goes. So, but I was sitting here on what is it? These guys are car hacks. They got a bunch of cool videos, and we'll go ahead and go through a couple of their videos, which are pretty fun to do. So let's check it out. This guy here is using the gunk out, and he thinks he used a little too much. What do you think, guys? I noticed that the atmosphere is depleted rapidly. So we're going to go ahead and say that do not use too much of your sister's hairspray or use any kind of gunk out too much, because then we might be in a catastrophic event. So let's see what else we got going here. This one here, y'all ever been married? I don't know. I don't know if this is how marriage is supposed to be or what, but let's take a look. Oh, what do they got going? The Hummer. The Hummer limo. Oh! Oh, not the Hummer limo. She went down right there. You know where that Hummer should be? Probably in the battlefield. They should have got a Cadillac. That's what I would have done. Got me a bad little Cadillac. Maybe put the pool in the back. Ooh, bars. Bars. I like bars. All right, let's check this one out. Either way, I mean, ain't nobody got a fire extinguisher out there? That's just crazy. Gotta have a fire extinguisher, right, guys? Everybody's packing a fire extinguisher these days. It's too hot out. Patch. Now, I'm assuming that is a salsa stash, because that's what I'd be doing with that right there. Let's see what we got going there. What is that? I don't know. I've never heard of cat. I didn't even know that's a letter. It looks like an upside down V to me. So I don't know what that is. So I'm assuming that's a third world country car, and that one ain't doing too good. It's pretty rusted out. But as long as the wheels work, just as long as the frame works, we're good. All right, let's see what we got here. All right, I want y'all to guess. What do you think's gonna happen? Start on fire. It's gonna get hit by a tire. Have you seen all the rolling tire videos? Yeah, what time comes the tire? No, I think, or does he get his finger smashed? What does he get? Finger smash. Starts on fire, or a tire comes flying through. Let's see what it is. Oh, he's working away. Ouch. If he's a DJ, he's gonna have a rough time. But it looks like he's a mechanic, so dang. At least he doesn't take care of his fingernails like the ladies do. He'll be all right. Just put some ice on that. We gangsters. That's how we do it. He's a mechanic. You know what I mean? Mechanics are tough. All right, here's another one. These guys are sitting at the red light. But I guess this light is just taking a little bit too long, and they don't like it. So this is their wisdom to get around this red light. Drive around the side. And, I'm just gonna make a right-hand turn over here. That's how that goes. You should have just drove right through. You didn't even have to waste your time. You could have just stayed right there and nothing would have happened. You could have just drove right there. And as long as there ain't no cops, you're gonna be all good. All right, let's check another one we got going here. Oh, I like the wood grain cars. I just like that look already. But let's see what happens. Yeah, I don't even know how that would happen.
Pursuit of the century.
I don't even know how that would happen. Could you imagine if your hand was in there? I'm assuming that's what would happen if you put your hand in there. But what would make that thing spin like that? Somebody must have hooked something up wrong. Just hooked it up to the axle or something. That was scary. I think the tire's supposed to go that fast. Definitely not the steering wheel. This one here is Pursuit of the Century is about to go down. All right. What do you think? Oil's falling out. A bunch of grass and food for all of the damn creatures that live in it, or the creature's gonna come jumping out. What do you think it is? I'm gonna go with well, I've already seen it, so I think I know what it is.
It's about to go down.
Let's see what goes down. Oh no. Oh, poor little rabbit. Ooh, that guy's hungry. See, that's what happens when you don't get enough food. You gotta chase a rabbit down and try to eat. Dang, you imagine a rabbit in a car. Eat up all your wires, cost you thousands of dollars, and all it's worth is some rabbit stew. Never had rabbit stew. Maybe I'll try rabbit stew one day. I don't think I'll try rabbit stew. Try to keep the animals out of your car, though. That would help. I don't know how you do that. You can get some animal repellent, keep it around your car. Unless it's a big issue, then you got to put mesh and stuff in your car. I've had stuff like that happen. That's stinky. That's no good. And it smells like animal stuff and other stuff. Ugh. And then what? You can even get some disease. You don't want no damn diseases. Just trying to drive to work on my car. That's it. All right, let's see what we got going here. What it means when this light comes on. Let's see. That definitely wasn't one of them fancy ones. And if it was fancy, it is not fancy anymore. Holy macaroni, that thing burnt out pretty quick. That's a fuse, and that went to something, and notice the bell shut off the minute that blew. That was jacked up. Let's see. Play that again. Oh. Gone. That's your drive shaft. These are your U-joints, I believe, in there. And that means your U-joint is broken, or the other part to the U-joint. I'm not like a major mechanic, but I do know some basic fundamentals. And that's a major failure. You're going to have to get that and get it fixed. You might have some cool tools. Watch a couple YouTube videos. We might do it one day. I don't know. That's a little challenging for me. It don't look too challenging. I think it's more about the time to do it. Oh, man. Not good. Oh. Oh, that. Luckily, no one was standing over there. Did they know that was going to happen? You think they knew that was going to happen? Look at that. That the whole thing pops off. Starting fluid. Huh. What if there was someone over there? That would have been even more funny if someone was over there. Then we could have laughed even harder. Look at this thing. Boom! Filter just popped off and everything. That was a nice little flame came out of there. I must do that all the time. They was ready for that. They were ready for it. All right, let's see what kind of hubcap we got.
Why?
Hubcaps on hubcaps on wheels of a hubcap. I don't know why. I honestly do not know why they would put that on there. That's pretty crazy. I know you're preserving it, but really? That don't even make no sense. What's this guy doing? Yeah.
Why?
Yeah. That's just weird. I'm just gonna gun it. Watch this. Gunning it. Oh, dude. Hey, you gotta know how to drive your car. You can't just floor some cars. They'll trash themselves. Okay, here's a party. Hold on now. Now these girls are having a good time. And a little bit too good of a time. It's about to cost them big. They're like pulling up. Everyone's even happy. Like, woo, they're here. Yeah, they made it. Good for us. I'm excited. Now watch this. Oh. Now that's what they get. You gotta be watching where you're driving. Gotta watch where you're driving. Oh man, one more time. Hey girls, it's going down. Oh. Sorry about that. Everything's gonna be okay. Sorry about that. Oh Lord, that was classic. What do we got here? These one after another. This is a good one. Car Hacks is pretty good. I like their stuff. All right, let's check this. It's already scary. That's a Lamborghini. Let's see what this is. What's it saying? Ah, man, just blew the tire. Dang, that's so expensive, man. I guess when you got insurance, you try not to stress out too much, but man, that's gotta still be tough. Oh, now they bring
One muffler. One resonator.
Gotta get a Lambo one day, just cruise around. You guys seen that one where the guy puts it through the cornfield, starts it on fire? I'm just not going there. I'm just not gonna do it.
2 resonator. 3 resonator.
I don't know what a resonator
Second
is.
muffler.
Do y'all know what a resonator is? Because I have no idea what a resonator is. A little bit of WD-40 on that.
I know
My
what size
favorite
that
tool.
is.
What size is that?
Yep, I know what size that is.
Size grinder. Nice. A grinder is a nice tool to have. You can cut steel with that bad boy. And put different blades on it. Cut concrete. All kind of fun stuff. Pretty wild tool. Careful. Oh Lord, look at that. That was an oil pan. You don't want that coming out your oil pan. Oh man. Pretty green tank. Maybe they thought that's where the antifreeze went. That was a massive fail, people. Massive fail. Oh, Lord. Oh. All right. Tesla. What's in front of you, Tesla? Figure it out. What is that? Oh, nope. Bus. Truck. Wait, no, that's a human walking behind a semi. Wait a minute. It's two semis. No, it's just a semi. It's just, yeah, it's just a semi. All right, what we got here? Poor Teslas aren't that smart. What about this? Volvo. Expensive little car. He only took one lug nut off.
Great job, customer.
One lug nut. Hey, doesn't this feel like Mondays someday? Yeah, just going in circles on a Monday, in circles, and feel like nothing's getting done. Definitely. Okay, hold on. Oh, ain't nothing like the mechanic shop, right? Look at home, he's got the goatee, the nice shop, probably had a couple beers, you know, smoke a couple Marlboros. He's like, oh, let me go ahead and switch this out and show y'all how we do it. Go ahead and record this. Let's do this. Here we go.
Mira cómo desarma el turco ahora.
Boom! Down with the whole shop front, dude. He was looking the other way. He didn't even try to turn around. Wasn't even trying to turn around. Look at that big old Marlboro sticking out his grill. Look at that. Here we go. One more time. Ready?
Mira cómo desarma el turco ahora.
Oh. Hey, you know what? That just means it's time to drink another beer, and then we gotta clean it all up. They'll hire some day labor to come and do it while they sit there and watch sports or something. Sounded good. We'll roll with that. All right, I think we're getting close to the end here. All right, this guy it looks like all he's doing is trying to work on a windshield wiper. All I gotta say is I hope that this isn't what I think it is, and I hope he just pinched his leg, because this can be pretty detrimental, I'd say, right here. Take a look at this. Oh. Oh, man. That's not good right there. He doesn't look happy, but it could just be his leg. He's calling for help. Look at help. Oh, look at him. He's like, what? Oh, dude. Someone's in there. Pop in there. Oh, man. Let's just hope he's okay and everything happened. Good for him. Let's learn from these people's mistakes, you guys. Learn from their mistakes. That way we don't have to make them. You see all these goofy mistakes these people do? You don't have to do it, because you can watch it right here. And then you can just say, hey, I'm not going to touch that with a 10-foot pole. Now here's the good old ramp and slide. Boom! Really? Oh my gosh, that is rough. That's a couple repairs, and what? Go forward and keep going? Go down, up the other side, and now it's all caught up under your car. How do you lift that out? I don't know. I think you're stuck at that point. Well, I'm gonna say from here on out that we're out of here, and you have got to be able to learn from other people's mistakes, and that's the only way that you'll make it and save a buck without making a fool of yourself. I mean, this is how we gotta do it, you guys. So make sure you guys like, subscribe. We'll put up another video here again, and we'll keep going with these. There's always something to be talking about on these videos. These people are wild.